Welcome to this detailed tutorial on adding a location symbol to your PowerPoint presentation. To begin, start by launching PowerPoint on your computer. It is important to ensure that PowerPoint is fully loaded before you begin editing your presentation. Taking a moment to wait until the software has opened all its components will help you avoid any potential confusion during the next steps. After you have opened PowerPoint, locate and open the presentation where you would like to insert the location symbol. Whether it is a new file or an existing project, make sure that the presentation is set up and you are in the correct slide where the symbol is intended to appear. Remember that organizing your slides beforehand can save you time later if you need to navigate to a specific section shortly. Now that you have your presentation open, direct your attention to the various tabs that run along the top of the screen. Among these options, find the one labeled Insert. The Insert tab is a powerful feature in PowerPoint that grants you access to a range of visual elements, from shapes and pictures to icons and charts. Familiarizing yourself with this tab can enhance your ability to quickly add various elements to your presentation. Within the Insert tab, you will notice an option for icons. Icons provide a simple and clean graphic representation of many concepts, including the essential location symbol we are about to insert. Simply place your cursor over the icons option and click on it. Doing so will bring up a selection window filled with numerous small images that PowerPoint provides for your use. The icons are categorized, making it easier to find the specific visual you need. Next, in the search functionality of the icons window, type the word location. By entering this keyword, the selection will filter down to display several icons related to the concept of location. This step is especially beneficial if you are seeking a particular type or style of location symbol that fits the overall design of your presentation. Take your time to review the available options and select the one that best suits your needs. Once you have scanned through the options and chosen the icon that you feel is most compatible with your presentation, go ahead and click on the icon. This action signifies that you have selected the symbol and you are now ready to add it to your slide. Your selection should become highlighted, indicating that it is ready for insertion. The final action in this process is to click on the Insert option found within the icon's selection window. This command confirms your choice and places the location symbol into your slide. After the icon appears, you can move it around to the desired position, resize it to match the layout of your slide, or adjust the color and style settings to better integrate it with the rest of your design. This simple yet effective visual enhancement will bring clearer communication to your presentation by providing a recognizable symbol for location. By following these detailed instructions, you can easily incorporate a location icon into your PowerPoint presentation, enhancing its visual appeal and providing clarity to your audience. This process underscores the effective use of PowerPoint's built-in graphics and the ease with which icons can be integrated into professional presentations. Enjoy the process and feel free to explore additional icons and visual aids that PowerPoint has to offer to further elevate the quality of your work.